So doing a battery test on my Ecosport 2016, I have this trendy little charger which tells me the voltage of my battery. Now I haven't used my car for a very long time. Just put this in the AC port. So tell me what is my battery right now. Okay, it's a good consistent at 12 volts. Let's see when I switch on the light what happens. Drop to 11.9, which is very good. Okay, unplug this. So I ordered this battery charger from Aliexpress, and what it's going to do is it's going to trickle charge my car battery, which hasn't been used in a really long time. Okay? Here you can see it's my car battery. This is the terminals which will go into that, pretty self-explanatory. Let's see if it can do the magic it always says it does. Okay. Make sure the engine is off always when you're doing this. Put up a junction box. This will work with the regular 240 volts. Okay. So this works for both car batteries and inverter batteries. Right. Let's see. So I have connected this and it automatically switched on the display on my device. Let's switch it on. Detected 12 volt power source. 19 degrees the battery temperature. Should be 13.5 volts and 88.6 ampere. And it is charging. Automatically picked up what needs to be done. So 13.2 volts. The charging seems to be working perfectly fine. No issues as such. Is the way I've connected it, the red terminal over here, the black terminal over here. Switch on. Wait. Forgive the dirtiness inside. And now it's 14.3 volts is charging. So officially let me switch off the light and show you. Right. So 12 volt battery is charging and I have only 20% worth of battery. Okay, now it's gone to 40% and that shows how crazy depleted my battery was. Even though the voltage shows up, the battery depletion is really high. So let's allow it to charge. It's reached 6 amperes now. So this has an auto cutoff capacity, right? And a little bit of temperature around you also changes. About it. When it's done, I will come back. Okay, status update after 10 minutes. Here we go. So it's saying that I'm in set on 27 degrees, 14.8 on, 2.7 amperes, 27 degrees, and my battery is now reached 60% in charging. Right? This looks really good. And it has an inbuilt fan here, so I can feel the air it's throwing out. It's cooling the system as well, so it doesn't overcharge. This system has a fantastic inbuilt charging auto shut off. So once the charge is done, it auto shuts down. And this is how it is. You can see the way I've connected it into a regular AC port using a junction box. Right? Nothing special to do. Just connect this and I think it's been like maybe 15 minutes now. The battery is gone from 20% to an official 60% in 15 minutes. That's a really good quick charge. Okay, status check. Alright, the charging is still going on. It's 35 minutes now since it begun. It is now hitting 100%. We can see here the voltage is steadied at 14.8. The amperes are slowly reducing as the charge has increased. So it went from about 1.8 to 1.3 amperes now. Still charging. The fan over here is working on overdrive. No heat from the device whatsoever, so it's pretty good. Right? And looks like in another few minutes I should be done. Let's see how it goes at that point. Okay, status check. My battery is almost charged. It checks up everything and then it switches off, which is perfect. Right? So it's saying I should be at ideally 12.9 volts, 28 degree, full charge. So let's go and check it inside. Let me disconnect this first. So I'm back in my car again. I am going to check my battery with my nifty little charger into the AC port. There it is. Do you see how bright that light is? I have not seen that bright lights for a very long time. And let me see how different the battery is when I switch it on. So let me pull out my keys. Ta-da-da. There we go. Everything's switching on. Lights are good. There goes nothing. So it pulled a little battery while switching on, and now it's picking it back. It's gone to 12.8, 13.5, 13.6. Wow, just like the charger said. So once my alternator switch kicked in, went back to full battery. And yeah, I have a big ass music system, so that doesn't help. So overall, it looks like a worthy investment. Let me switch this off, right? And then let me check this one as well. There we go. Now charge